Good morning, everyone. The poems for today are three most famous poems written by Robert Frost. The picture on the screen is of the poet Robert Frost. He was born in California, US, and he has written beautiful poems on nature. He has also won many awards for it. Let us quickly begin. The first poem written by him on the list is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you. I hope you liked this poem. Now let us quickly move to the second poem on the list. Leaves compared with flowers. A tree's leaves may be ever so good, so may its bark, so may its wood. But unless you put the right thing to its root, it never will show much flower or fruit. But I may be one who does not care ever to have tree bloom or bear. Leaves for smooth and bark for rough. Leaves and bark may be tree enough. Some giant trees have blooms so small, they might as well have none at all. Late in life, I have come on fern. Now lichens are due to have their turn. I bade men tell me, which in brief, which is fairer, flower or leaf. They did not have the wit to say, leaves by night and flowers by day. Leaves and bar, leaves and bark, to lean against and hear in the dark. Petals I may have once pursued, leaves are all my darker mood. Thank you. I hope you liked the poem. Now let us move on to the next poem on the list. Last but definitely not the least, The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other, as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, And that has made all the difference. Thank you. I hope you liked all the 3 poems. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And do like the page on Facebook and Instagram. Bye. See you. Take care.